Let's bugger all that up, innit? Generators. No, I can hear the generator. Oh. Shamai, it's a Kool Hand Uke gig today. We're at the Gnoll Country Park in Neath. At the minute the sun is shining, we're keeping everything crossed for that, but it's a beautiful surroundings. There's loads of fantastic cars here, so we're looking forward to having a bit of fun today. So we're all actually set up, it's just we got a little bit of a power problem. The generator that's powering us seems to have died, so as soon as that is sorted out we can do a bit of a sound check.
Show me the way to my room. I've been waiting like a willow. I know my very long. Time to make a waste for me. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. And make a waste for me. That I would walk 500 miles.
Let's bugger all that up, innit? Generators. No, I can hear the generator. Oh. Right, we're in there. We're in there. Bugger it now, man.
Martha Divine. Chitty, chitty, bang, bang, we love you. And chitty, chitty, bang, bang. keep on burning. Rolling, 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 rolling on the river.
So another lovely day up the Gnoll Park. The car club from Skewen organised this. Classic cars, not just classic cars, cars of all shapes and sizes, ages, prices and everything else. Musically it wasn't too bad. We did have a little bit of rain and in fact twice we lost the power right before the very end and in our first set, but you know, it is what it is. And as soon as we got the power back on, we were up and running again. We all did have to stop playing at one point because of the rain, but generally pretty good. And I've got to say, I'm really happy with the PA as well, because this is the first time we've really properly used it outside. As always, though, I do hope you've enjoyed this. If you've got any questions or comments, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.